So, welcome to today's vlog. This might seem a little bit weird because if you have a good eye of sense and stuff, we're a little bit more tanned, we're tired, and we're in bed pretty much ready to go to sleep. That's because it's evening, and
But it's only 8:15.
it's only 8:15, so we're going to watch some TV and go to bed really, but we haven't done loads today. I've got some really cool footage because we rented out a quad bike and a buggy this time as well, and I got some really good footage on it because I didn't get much good footage on it last time. You guys said you wanted more, so I've got some really cool footage of me on the buggy and on the quad bike doing some off-roading, getting stuck and pretty much dying out in the heat. But we didn't do too much else. Now, tomorrow, we're going to be chilling. It's our final day tomorrow, which sucks balls, but we're going to be chilling. We've got the UFO to do, which is going to be super cool, and we might have something else planned that's going to be absolutely epic. But until then, everybody, enjoy this kind of off-roading footage. We're going to go to sleep. Sit tight, relax, and enjoy the video. Yo! So, the itinerary for today. We had such a fun day yesterday out on the quad bikes. We've decided to do it again, but this time what we're doing, because Charlotte's parents are here, they're going to be renting out a buggy. Well, we've already rented them out. They're going to have a buggy, and we're going to have a quad, and then we're going to swap halfway through so we can experience what a quad bike... No, they can experience what a quad bike's like, we can experience the buggy, which should be really fun, but we're waiting for them at the moment. I say we're waiting for them. No, I'm waiting for Charlotte, because Charlotte's like the biggest faffer in the world, and she's like having a cup of tea, and she'll take a while. So I've come down here, I'm going to start editing my video. But one thing, I used Charlotte's deodorant this morning because I've run out. And look! I don't know how that happened. Like, how did I get deodorant all down my top? I must have used way too much. No, I don't know. There you are. Hairy armpit. Enjoy. So we're going to shoot out now. Back on the quad bikes. We're going to find some more beaches, some more lagoons and stuff to go to. And we'll also have some races between the quad bikes and the buggy.
Well, just joking.
So quad bikes decided to die on me right friggin' here in the middle of nowhere. What a piece of crap. This is seriously like just shut down as we're going up a little trail, but yep, that's what you get from rentals. So that we don't overheat it too much, we're gonna have to reverse down and not go up that awesome looking trail. So this could go very badly for me. I have no idea. Come on, quad bike. Get me over there. Yeah. We're back. All right. Hey. Hey, where's he going? What are you doing?
Nice drag race, you
There's a drag race. Go on then. You go first. I'm gonna fall out behind him.